Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about fixing there was a problem with your request error on Instagram. If you've ever encountered this error while trying to log in, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to resolve it. First, head over to your App Store. Search for Instagram and make sure to update the app if needed. Return to your home screen and attempt to log into your Instagram account again to see if the issue persists. If the problem persists, another method is to visit the Instagram Help Center via Google. Search for Instagram Help Center and navigate to the I Can't Login section. Select the option that best fits your issue, such as my account may have been hacked. Briefly explain your problem and submit the form. You should receive a confirmation message from the Instagram team via email. With these steps, you should hopefully have resolved the login issue on your Instagram account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.